Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video, we are going to find out if we can see private account photos on Instagram. So if you're also trying to do so today in this video, we are going to find out that. So let's just dive right in. So for that, you can go over and open up Insta and log in with your account if you're not logged in. And basically let's head over to one of the private accounts. For example, let's say this is the private account. So when you reach over to the private account, you can see it says that the account is private and we need to follow this account to see their photos and videos. And there you'll be finding a blue follow button as well. So the thing is, it is not possible to view photos on a private Instagram account without the owner's permission. If you're using a very reliable and built-in method, the only registered way to access a private profile's content is to send a follow request. So the most direct way is to simply tap on this follow button right here, tap on it, and you can wait for the user to approve your request. And if you are uncomfortable using your primary account, you can just go over and create a new one instead. And you can just go over and go to their profile and hit the follow button and send the follow request from there. Or if not that, what you can do is you can head over, and if you have any mutuals, so if you have a mutual friend with a private account owner, you can politely ask one of your mutual friends to show you the screenshot of the post or stories. That is also possible. And apart from that, that person also might have other public profiles on other social media like Facebook, TikTok, and may cross post content there. So you can search the name on Google Images, might also yield a few older publicly available posts if their account was public in the past. But usually, this is how you do it. If you're trying to use any kind of third party tools, uh, those are usually scams designed to steal your personal information or Instagram login credentials. So it's better not to rely on them. If you want to know the truth, it's not possible to see private account without using the follow button. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials.